Welcome, in front of me I have SONY Xperia C5, and today I will show you how we can create folders on the home screen. We are going to focus on these icons, and if you want to create folder, you have to click, hold and then drag icon for another one, just like that, one by one. As you can see, it's very simple. You can also move this folder, open it, rename, click done, and as you can see, that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.